Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix OneDrive storage full because OneDrive doesn't have enough free space. So if you're having issues with your OneDrive in here, and if you want to go ahead and unlink this so that you could just store the files onto local storage of your device, then you're onto the right guide. So this can be pretty annoying if it is already full since it keeps on notifying your device. So what you need to do to go ahead and remove this is just click onto this icon here onto the bottom part to open the OneDrive. So if you want to go ahead and try to upgrade this so that you could have more space, you could just simply click on to upgrade in here. But you could simply remove this one so that you could use your local folder. Click onto the settings in here, click onto the pause syncing, and then quit the OneDrive. So you could quit the OneDrive so that if you close this, all the files in your OneDrive folder won't sync or back up to the cloud and you won't see your changes across devices. So you'll just have to simply click onto that to unlink this one, or you could also go ahead and remove this completely onto your device by going onto the add or remove program into your device. Click onto that one, and then right after you'll get redirected onto the settings. Here onto the installed apps, you'll just have to search in here OneDrive or this specific file in here, click onto the three dots on its right, and then click onto uninstall. So this app and its related info will be uninstalled onto your device. You'll just have to click onto uninstall again to go ahead and remove a Microsoft OneDrive onto your device. And that is just basically it. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.